From Israel to Gaza, the cost of war has left childhood shattered in several parts. A generation growing up under the shadow of trauma, fear, psychological collapse. The numbers highlighting the growing crisis. A new report by Israel's Council for the Child revealing a surge in mental health struggles among children since the outbreak of the Israel-Hamas war in October 2023. As per the report, suicide attempts among children aged just 6 to 9 have jumped up by 53%. Among teenagers aged 12 to 17, anxiety diagnoses have risen by 31%, while depression cases are up by 9%. In 2025, more than 7,000 children sought help in psychiatric emergency rooms. Israeli hospitals also report a 25% increase in alcohol-related admissions and a 10% rise in drug-related cases among minors. Reports of sexual offences against minors have increased, meanwhile, by 12%, with domestic abuse rising by 17%. Cyber-related harm has surged by 30%. Schools in Israel are struggling as well. Dropout rates have climbed by 30%. Alerts about staff with criminal records are up by 20%. And in Gaza, the situation is equally dire. The United Nations saying more than 1 million children urgently need psychological and social support. According to UN officials, 96% of children there believe death is imminent. Around 61% suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, 38% from depression, 41% from anxiety. A United Nations study also highlighting how young girls face rising pressure to marry early as families grapple with displacement, poverty, and insecurity. In the year 2025, nearly 10% of newly recorded pregnancies involved adolescent girls, while only 15% of the health facilities remain capable of providing critical maternal and newborn care. Experts warn the mental health effects. In Gaza, Israel is also a systemic crisis with long-term impacts. Since the start of the Israel-Hamas war in October 2023, 69 Israeli children have been killed, over 1,500 injured. In Gaza, over 21,000 children have lost their lives. 21,000. More than 42,000 have suffered injuries.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.